Welcome again with another exciting episode of Ultra Disk implementation, and here you can see the virtual machine deployment process is completed and we can verify our resources. So just click on the go to resource option. So here our demo VM is ready, and here you can see we can verify lots of options regarding the disk. When I click on the disk option, now here you can see, as I committed, by default Microsoft operating system disk size is 127 GB, and while the other disk which we configured is Ultra Disk, here you can see its size is 50 GB. So let's get the remote desktop connection of this virtual machine and see inside what kind of options we available regarding the storage. So let's move with the remote desktop connectivity options. Now here you can see I have an IP address of 192.168.3.6. so let's take the remote desktop session and get detailed information inside the storage. Here I am on 192.168.3.6 VM, and here I just type the command to verify the inside storage. So computer management, so when the window appear over here, you can see the disk management option. So now we can verify that we have to manage disks over here. So I just initiate the disk 2 over here, and now here you can see I have one operating system disk while the other one is data storage disk is available. While if we talk about the temporary storage, so temporary storage is available with all virtual machines which are running on Microsoft Azure platform, and whenever you shut down the virtual machine, this disk will be automatically removed. So we have done with the disk implementation domain when we are working on the Microsoft platform, and we attached SSD disks with our virtual machine and Ultra disk as well. Let's move forward and explore other options on the storage domain when we are working with Microsoft Azure platform.